Hi, Charles. So, first of all, welcome back to another episode on this Car Simulator series that I'm doing. So, basically, if you watched the last video that I uploaded, I did get into a police chase for no reason. So, in this video, I decided I'm just gonna steal one of their police cars and just, you know, do it for fun and all that. So, I do know the location of where they are keeping the secret police car. So we are gonna find it and then we're just gonna take it and see basically what happens. So yeah, I'm also gonna start including more of like speaking into my videos just to give a little bit of context to you guys. And oh wait, this is the wrong way. Sorry, I'm going the wrong way. But yeah, basically that is that for this video. So I will try and give a context for every video at the beginning. So the mission of this video is just to steal that police car and see what happens next. So yeah, we did get my car, so I am mad about that. So let me know if you guys want to see like the video. Basically, we are just going to the police. We are just like driving the correct lanes, adhere to the traffic lights and all that. Let me know if you guys want to see a video of it. Yeah, so here is the secret location of the police. Whoop! There you go. Zoom, 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 zoom. Let me just get a quick thumbnail for this video and then yeah, boy. Let's do it. Like right now I'm not really like focusing on like getting like buying anything or all that. I just wanna you found an abandoned police patrol car. Looks like they are looking for her now. Mafia might be interested by her, so ooh, time is limited. Okay, let's do it, man. But is the police after me though? That's my question. Right. Oh yeah, so I was saying I'm not really looking into like buying houses or new cars for now. I just really just wanna let me check at the map where the mafia is. I can return it to the police station, or I can take it to the mafia. I'm gonna take it to the mafia because I will get a chance to steal it in another like episode if I feel like it. So, but if I take it to the police, then there's no more stealing of this car. But yeah, as I was saying before, I keep interrupting myself, is I'm actually not buying new cars and new houses for now. I just want to stack my money up and try and save up for a new house. Oh, are we good though? So yeah, I just want to save money so I can buy like all the properties first, and then I can like buy the old cars and all those fancy looking cars they have in this game. So yeah, and let me know if you guys want to see a video of basically giving the names of the cars in this game, because they don't do that. They just give these weird funny names. So if you guys want the real names of these cars, let me know in the comments and I'll do a video. Damn, I suck at driving. But yeah. I'm at 160. Not today. Not today. But so now we saw that basically if you find the car, you can even return it to the police. Oh shit, yeah. They're right behind me. I don't want no changes anymore. I don't want to be chased. But you can, you know, return the car to the mafia, to the police, or you can take it to the mafia. And I prefer taking it to the mafia because, as I say, they will give you a chance to go look for it and then sell it to the mafia again. Unlike the police, they will take it and they will, you know, keep it. It's their car. So, oops, sorry. I don't even know where I'm going now. I guess we're gonna go home. Oh, I did see this new place. Let's go check it out. I won't be able to go inside because I haven't bought the place yet. There is a bunch of like new houses on this game. There is this one which is there's been there, and then there's this new one that I wanna go check out. I feel like I saw this one, so I am familiar with that one. I'm also familiar with these, but yeah, let's go look at this house. This house right over here. I'm gonna look at that house, and then we just gonna end this episode. Because I tried to get the thing for every episode the secret house that I'm doing, and like this area and stealing the police car just to see what we have. Yeah, let's go check out the new house and try not to get chased by the police. Let's just be here. No, I feel like I should take shortcuts just to be safe. So we are gonna take shortcut. Oh, there's also a car dealership here. Let me see what kind of cars there. I'm not gonna go in, I'm just gonna check from like the outside if they can show. But I've been seeing a 25 cents for like the price one. Like those coins are not going up. It's scary now. Like there's the place, bro. This what is this? Billa on the boots. Alright, I cannot afford it right now, so just gonna take a tour of the place. Wow, it's so nice, bro. So the downstairs is usually the garage for like these homes, and then you know the main house is like upstairs and all that. We'll collect the coin in a second. Damn, is that MJ? Can I go up the stairs with the car? Oh, I can go upstairs like on my own, bro. But god damn it. Alright, let's go upstairs and see this villa. Unfortunately, I cannot open it, but we have like no, I don't want to spoil it. I'll just wait to buy it and then I can show you guys. Is this a pool? Okay, whatever. I don't want to spoil it just in case, you know, I end up buying it and I won't want to spoil the house too and all that. And I'm here to give like the house to my partner. Or did I do that? If I didn't, then I'll show you guys the partner if I did. There you go. So the cheap price, right? We just check the price. Nice. You cannot even check the price. $8 garage. Okay, not bad. So we're going back home. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the end of today's episode. I'll see you guys in the next episode. And let me know if you guys want me to like talk in like all the videos, or do you want me to like just shut up and drive. So, y'all let me know